Ruby, what is this? Oh, lots of paper. What's that?
It's a tutu.
Yay!
It's a tutu one.
Who's this from?
It's a tutu.
Who got this for you?
It's a tutu.
Yay! Do you like it?
I like the purple tutu.
But wait, who got this for you? Look at Mommy. Who got this for you? Oh, you lost your flower, huh? Here's the flower. There's the flower. Mommy's got to, oh no, don't pull it off. It goes like this. Here, Mommy's got to fix it for you. Can you say thank you, Auntie?
Thank you,
Say I love you, Auntie.
That's a tutu. It's a purple tutu.
Yay! You're purplicious.
Purple, yes.